Hi everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Happy Monday night. Yes, this is the time I'm coming to you live. I have my team swaps to share with you today, and this video is coming to you on a Monday night in lieu of my normal Tuesday video tomorrow, because I am out and about all day tomorrow, so can't commit. Hey Kathy, thanks for joining. So I can't commit to doing my normal Tuesday card making video, so I've made it a priority after coming home from karate with my youngest to pop on here and show you my team swaps for November. In November, I never do this. The worlds collided and the mail worked and everyone was able to get me their team swaps yesterday at my last team meeting of the year and our end of year get together. We didn't do any card making yesterday. Hey Delinda, we did like Stampin' Up! News for November, and we had a lovely lunch. My mum catered lunch, which was lovely. Good morning, Christine. Yeah, my mum catered a beautiful lunch, so we didn't have to whiz around and get hot and bothered because it was extremely hot here yesterday. Hey Glenna, thanks for joining. Hey Kay, it's good I'm catching all the UK girls, and hopefully I'll catch some of the Aussies who are just sitting down to relax for the evening. I'm not quite there. I have a wish list to build because I get to pre-order from the new mini catalogue tomorrow, and I get to order my new mini Stampin' cut and emboss machine tomorrow. Thanks to Linda, or tomorrow or early hours of tomorrow morning. So I'm really excited about that. So there is unboxings to come of the new January to June mini catalogue and the mini Stampin' cut and emboss machine. I'll have to think of a new name for my new machine. Yeah, I was happy with my table setting, Delinda, considering my Christmas decorations aren't out of the roof yet. There are a few things that I've bought as I've seen them over the past month. We buy a few new things every year as I saw them, and I'd seen those few things, and one of the star, if you go back and have a look at the photo, the star tree is one of the old Stampin' Up! Kits where you could make the stars, and I've stacked them together to make a tree. Oh, wish list shopping. It's not wish list. There's no wishing. It's needing. No wishing, needing. I need all these things in my life. Hey Jacqueline, thanks for joining. So yes, my need shopping shall... Oh, the bag isn't in here. I didn't bring it in. I don't know if you girls have seen how tagged my catalogue is. And I just realised I just closed my other catalogue, which has the name of a set that I need to tell you about. Okay, so without any further ado, I will get into my team swaps. Some of these I have unbagged already because I've also shared them on my team page before I popped in here, because not everyone can attend the meetings. So I always show everyone what everyone's done. Even if they can't participate in the swap, they can certainly see the cards and hear what was used to make them. So first cab off the rank is Miss Renee Mengele. She has used the Dove of Hope bundle, and let me see if I can just move this. It's very subtle. It is the Subtles embossing folder in the background, and coloured, stamped and cut the branch, put the, is it olive? No, I can't think of what the dove holds. Is it olive? Someone's going to tell me because I can't think of it. and use the In Good Taste paper. It's such a sweet card. I really love this stamp set. I haven't used my stamp sets anywhere near as much as what I wanted to, but I do, and Olive, thank you, Jacqueline, I do have a sneaking suspicion, looking at my Christmas card list, I don't have enough Christmas cards. So there may be a lot more card making from me between now and Christmas, which kind of stresses me out because I also want to make customer cards to go with the brand new catalogues. I need an assistant. At this point in time, I need an assistant because I'm kind of freaking out. But anyway, we will get there. I don't know what Christmas will be like, but we'll get there. Okay. Next cab off the rank is the beautiful Helen Beatty. She has used, it is cooler this evening, Christine. It was in the low to mid 20s today, but it's meant to be quite warm tomorrow. So we're having one freak day out of the week tomorrow. So meant to be quite warm in Sydney, but it's meant, in some parts of Sydney, it's meant to be 40 tomorrow. And here, when I heard that on the radio coming home, because listening to a Sydney radio station, but here an hour north of Sydney, it's only meant to be a high of 31 tomorrow. So I don't know. And I'm driving an hour north tomorrow. So God knows what the temperature will be up there. I don't know. I'm just glad my car has air conditioning and the shopping centre I'm going to also has air conditioning. So who knows? Who knows? Okay, back to Helen's card. I've been waving it around. She has used the Everything Essential bundle, which includes the Everything Essential stamp set and the Essential tag punch. And she has used, hey Jan, she has used markers to colour the image, and she has put one of the stars from the, only because I can put my hand on it, from the all the trimmings embellishments and some of that beautiful real red sheer ribbon. Love that. Wherever I put the cards I've shown, I'm putting them here. Next we have the lovely Jill Fitzgerald. She has used my favourite thing on this card, vellum. And I do like sunflowers, but I actually don't own this set. Hey, Jenny, I actually don't own this set, but she has used it so beautifully. So she's popped the ones in the background, just using black ink, and then she has, oh, I have been keeping myself hydrated. So says the toilet breaks I've been taking. Sorry, that was way too TMI. It's been a very busy day. I love the vellum over the black stamping, just really allows this Stampin' Blends coloured sunflower from the Celebrate Sunflower set to pop. And for the sentiment, she has used the lovely Labels Pick a Punch for the sentiment. So quite a simple card, but I just love how she's used the vellum to calm it down. It really does, Delinda. Really does. I use it more on pattern paper than I do over stamping. So to see it like that, it's a good reminder for me. And I haven't used vellum much recently, girls. I think I need my temperature taken because I haven't been using it. But anyway, okay, we have the lovely Tanya Kane next. I'll show you all that amazing foil. Has used the Christmas Gleaming stamp set, the brightly gleaming paper, and the gleaming ornaments punches. And I think she has also used the Stitched Shapes circle for a beautiful card. I really do love this. Yeah, way too much info. It's okay. You'll live. You know you get the real me, Christine. Hey, Jolazard. Okay, next we have Miss Lorraine Morgan, who went for a bit of a fancy fold, but a really simple fancy fold. Hey, Pamela. So as you can see from the back, she's kept a strip of the card base and then put the card front as the card. Yeah, but I normally don't TMI live. I TMI on Zoom or Messenger, but you know, it's been a Monday, girls. It's been a Monday, trust me. Okay, I think I made my work phone calls today. I made 100 calls. So hence why I'm a bit brain dead, but that's okay. I did my job today. So yes, that is all using the Sailing Home Suite. So I love these stamps. They are stunning. Okay. Second to last, I'll leave mine to last because I love I know the Baubles DSP is beautiful. This is Tracy Byers and she has used the poinsettia. Now let me get this in the shine. The poinsettia petals and curvy Christmas stamp sets and the Tasteful Textures 3D embossing folder. The and dies, the curvy dies and the poinsettia dies as well. So beautiful. I love this one. Hello, Miss Julie. Oh, I miss your face, Miss Julie. Exactly, Christine, exactly. And last is my card. So remember, this was your choice. So we've got all different themes. Lots of them were in Christmas because that's where they were. I kind of got my months mixed up and started making these cards 3 months ago. I know, Christine, it's a gorgeous card. That color was Misty Moonlight. So I started making my cards 3 months ago, and then they've been sitting in a used up paper pumpkin box, like 3/4 done, more than 3/4 done, and I finished them on Saturday. So this stamp set I have used is the Lovely You stamp set. I've used the Poinsettia Petals paper for a very non-Christmas card. The Love Hearts with the love word are from the Wreath Builder die set, and the poinsettia place is cut with the ornate layers. Now let's see if I can show you this. I have used Under the Love the metallic mesh ribbon and then tied in that silver with a few rhinestones. Yeah, as I said, I start in January because I do the Christmas Stampathon, Jenny, and I help run that with a number of other girls, or one girl this year. I start in January and I don't think I've got enough cards. So yeah, but anyway, we'll see. If not, I've got plenty of pattern paper to make really simple Christmas cards because it doesn't matter. It's the sentiment that counts. Thank you, Delinda. I really like that. So it can be used for any love occasion because I'd happily give this to a friend. That blue one, who's that? That's Tracy Byers, Byers. Now, she does have a group. It's Tracy's Cards, and look her up on Facebook. Hey, Myrtle. So that's about all I've got for you tonight. I do plan on going and sitting with my laptop on the lounge because it's the last day of the month. So I have a blog post for this card to put up tomorrow night. I want to get this video ready to go up on YouTube for tomorrow night. I want to do a newsletter, and I need to look over the catalogue again to see if I've missed anything I may need to pre-order. and I must not forget to pre-order catalogues. So that's a lot for me to do tonight, but please know I'm doing it. Thank you, Christine. That's amazing. Do know I am doing it from the comfort of my lounge, and I will be watching the final Home and Away for the year, which is like an hour-and-a-half episode. So there is an insight to the rest of my evening, and I kind of have a bit of a disaster zone happening here. I have team gifts on the go. I have labels on the go for the new catalogues and Christmas cards. Yeah, I kind of have a bit of everything, and I've been very lucky to already have received 2 Christmas cards this year, which made me very, very happy to receive them in the mail. Yes, I will. My pleasure. Thank you girls so much for joining me. I do appreciate your support. And just remember, this is my Tuesday live video happening on a Monday, and I will be back on Thursday. I have a couple of, I won't show those addresses, but I have a couple of labels here, and I have 3 labels here with no cards for my December cards, and they're all masculine, so I need to make some masculine. Yeah, it's great to be busy, Christine. Absolutely, that's the way I've got to look at it right this very second. I'm going to make some masculine cards using products out of the August to December mini catalogue. So that is my Thursday video, masculine cards using holiday products, which isn't very hard with products in here. So that's what I need to do, because I've got lots of golf cards for masculine cards, but these particular males who are all members of my family aren't into golf, so the golf cards aren't going to cut it. So I will be back on Thursday, masculine cards using some Christmas products. They will be uber simple, and I'll try and make a number. Let's see if we can make a number in an hour, because that tends to be how long my videos go for. Yes, you will see me then. You take care as well, and have a wonderful couple of days, and stay safe. Bye, guys.